Alright guys, just cruising around doing my garbage pick and you ain't gonna believe what I seen. Oh yeah, let's check her out and see what I seen. Holy shit. Look at that hearse, eh? We're gonna get out and check that beast out. Oh yeah, do a little walk around the old hearse ski. Thing's a beast. You guys, check this old hearse out at McWilliams funeral home, eh? Holy shit. Thing is a beast. Do a little walk around of her. Wow. Thing was in our holiday parade, folks. Yep, McWilliams is Hearst right there. Looks like the tires are getting a little weather rotted. Blow horns on the front. Yep, that's McWilliams' Hearse.